How to unlock door in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock and even lock the doors. First of all, open the application. So here, I'm inside a game. Here, you must go to the place where a door is located, but make sure it's already open through a key. So in some cases, you cannot open it directly. So first, go to the place where the door is located, and here you can see this hand sign. Simply tap on this hand sign. Now as you can see, the door is open. Now you can even close it by just tapping on it, and it is very easy task that you can do. So you can simply open and close the door whenever you want. But in some cases you might need keys too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.